Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use ultimate skill of the Necromancer on the Diablo Immortal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you already unlock the ultimate skill, and then you can simply click the skill like this, okay, and targeting to the enemy like this, okay. So example, you can hold it for a second, and then you can let it get big damage, okay. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.